What's up, Team Review Zone? So today we're taking a look at the RYOBI ONE Plus 18 volt lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer. This comes with a 1.5 Ah battery and a charger, or you can buy it separately, but this one is the kit. I will put the model number in the description below. But take a look at this nightmare that I have been working on. I needed this. We're going to see how it works. Let's get the review started. I did rack my brain on what brand I wanted to go with for the hedge trimmer, but I like this because it was the 18 volt, 22-inch cut capacity, comes with the battery and the charger, which I didn't really need, but it came with it, and it also cuts up to 3/4 inch. Now this does have a 3-year warranty on it, and again I will put the link in the description below for this. But the one thing I really liked about it was the hedge sweep. Here's the battery, 1.5, slides in just like so, very easy to do. Now I'll show you how this cuts here in a bit, but really easy to operate. Just pull back that safety lever and pull the trigger. It's ready to go. Now, along with the head sweep, they also offer this 90-degree angle right here that I really like. It's ergonomically correct. So you just hit that button right there and you can adjust it to be more comfortable while you're working. The one thing I will say though is if you're making quick cuts and you don't adjust that back to where you need to be, it could actually put you in an awkward position. But I really like that. You just got to get used to it. Now, by no means is this the lightest hedge trimmer on the market. Now this is battery, it offers a different feature here and there, but it is 7.5 pounds, so it's a little bit heavier, and as far as it goes with balance, it's not the best I've ever felt either. Do give you a nice handle grip, and you also get the brush guard right here to protect your knuckles. Let me show you how the hedge sweep works real quick. Now if you don't want it on, you can just take it off, but I really like this for when you're doing your shrubs because it takes the debris that you already cut and it literally sweeps it off. But if you don't want it on there, maybe you're trimming your tree or something, you can just pull it off just like that, and then that's it. Now if you want it back on, all you got to do is slide it back on the track and it's ready to go. Alright, enough talking, let's start working. Let's put the 1.5 battery in and let's do some shrubbery. Alright, right off the bat, I want to show you how the hedge sweep works. Very cool, check this out. Takes your cut debris, gets it out of your way, you don't have to worry about it on your next cut. Again, closer look, works perfectly. Now the one thing I did notice using this is that it's not as fast as I thought it would be. You actually got to go over it a couple times in the same area just to get a nice clean cut. Now they do have a 40-volt version of this, which I would assume is a little bit quicker, but even the electric that I have is much faster than this. It does a nice job once you get it done, but you can see that it actually pushes a little bit while you're cutting. So you do go over the same area a couple times just to make sure that you get it. Alright, let's take off the hedge sweep here. We'll do the sides. And again, we're going to adjust that here, the angle, so my wrist is not out of neutral posture. I mean, don't get me wrong, it cuts good. Is it for a professional? No, it's not at all. Definitely for DIY use. The blades are sharp, but you can see that you do have to go over the same area a couple times, as where even my electric hedge trimmer would cut that a lot faster. I really do like how you can change angles so your wrist isn't hurting you. It's very simple to do. You just hit that button and they're all positive stops, so you can go up to the 45-degree or the 90-degree cut. So I do like that feature a lot. Alright, so we got those cleaned up a little bit. Let's take a look at this right here. We're just going to chop this down. This was an old rhododendron plant. Not too much issue. I will say that even though it's battery operated, it has a lot of power. I don't notice really any bogging down. Maybe a little bit here and there when you're cutting very thick shrubbery, but other than that, I mean, it holds its own. Alright, my nemesis, this tree right here. Hate it. It's like a little umbrella tree. It's just a mess. We're going to clean this up. I'm going to start out on the bottom here. We're going to chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it. All right, let's go around the corner. Very smooth action, makes nice straight lines, so I'm happy with that. Works very well on the tree, actually. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it. I'll tell you, after doing this for a little bit, my arm is starting to get a little bit tired just because this thing is a little heavier. Again, 7.5 pounds. All right, let's clean this up underneath here a little bit. I got more trees growing underneath my tree. These are about 1/4 inch thick, and it really takes it down like nothing, no bogging down. Really happy with that. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it, chop, chop, chop it. Alright, so it's coming along. Now, I will be doing the review on the RYOBI pole saw here in the next video, and that's what I'm actually going to use to cut the top of that tree. I'm not climbing no freaking ladders anymore, so I want to check that out. Look for a review, and I will put that up on this in a card as soon as I'm done with it. But yes, I'm real happy with how I cut with the tree. All in all, it's pretty powerful. I actually used a 4.0 battery after the 1.5 started to die. It was about 15 minutes, and I had to replace. But the 4.0 gave me a lot longer time. But 3.25 inch cut, I mean, that's a pretty nice size cut. Pretty powerful. I really do like the different features. It is a little bit heavy. You know, it is a little bit awkward to use, I'll be honest, but the different degrees that you can do, you know, it just, I like it. I think it offers more features than a lot of the other ones out there. And as far as it goes with this right here, I just think that's very cool. You have to get used to this. You definitely have to get used to that. And once you do, it's definitely going to help out your wrist. Is this a professional tool? No, absolutely. I would never recommend it as a professional tool. But for DIY, yeah, absolutely. I especially liked it while I was using it on that tree. Got a very nice long cut on this. So with that being said, I'm going to give this a 4-star, not a 5-star, just because of some of the things that we talked about. But the Hedge Sweep definitely makes up for that. I haven't seen that on any other unit. I think that's very cool. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with more videos soon.